So good morning. Here we go again. Out to see what we can find, out to see what we can photograph, out to see what we can video. So hoping we're going to find some interesting stuff around. Plenty of cobwebs and flies, that's for sure. So just driving down to where we are here, down the lane. I looked over the field and there was a fox walking across the field. Fortunately, by the time I got out of the car, he was just disappearing into the hedgerow, and didn't reappear. So unfortunately, we didn't get anything of that. Some rabbits sitting in the field there as well. So we're nice and early. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning, just after 7. So hoping we're going to see a few things. So we're going to have a wander around. Come and join me, and we'll see what we can find. Let's go. So we've just got a little Muntjac deer just over here, just wandering around grazing and disappearing into the hedges every now and again. So let's go and see if we can get a little bit closer, see if we can get a couple of images. So the deer's right in front of us at the moment. It's just in and out the hedgerows. So we're just going to lie here for a while. Just lie here and see what happens. Well, that's a good start. So managed to get a couple of images of the Muntjac there, I think. A tiny bit of video, but did keep disappearing into the hedgerows. But I think we've got a little something, so that's good. Great start. First time I think I've actually photographed a Muntjac, so that's good news anyway. So we carry on, see what else we can find. Foxes and Muntjac so far, can't be bad. And I can hear the cuckoo. So when you're out and about looking for wildlife, you've really got to be quiet, stealthful, just take things really slow. It takes me forever to walk around places, to be honest. And like where we are here, we've got a path that goes to the right and a path that goes to the left here. We just come in, it's like a T-junction, just come across the bridge. So get down low, and before you step out into the junction, just have a look. Slowly step out and just peek round the corner, see if there's anything there before you walk straight out there, because you don't know what's going to be there. If there's a fox or a deer or something, they're just going to be spooked as soon as you walk out. If you jump straight into the path, they're just going to get spooked straight away. So just take it easy, steady, slow, and you don't know what you'll find. And if you come around the corner and you see something, just crouch down, just wait. Don't rush into it. Don't rush to get the camera. They might pop the head up and have a look at you. thinking there's something there, then they might not really notice you. So if you just stay still just for a few minutes, they'll probably put their head back down. If they do, they'll put their head back down and start grazing again, you know. And then once they settle down, you've got time to get the camera up, you know, particularly when the head's down grazing. You can get the camera up slowly and they won't pay any attention to you, you know. And you can just take your time, and that's what leads to the good shots, you know. You'll get them looking natural, behaving naturally, and you will get some amazing shots, but it just takes time and patience, it really does. Well, I have to say, after what looked like it was going to be a really cracking start to the day, seeing the fox and then the muntjac, been really quiet since then. I haven't seen hardly anything. I can hear a cuckoo over in the distance over here at the moment. There's a woodpecker around here somewhere, but I can't see it, so I'm just sitting still just to see if it shows its face. I've been walking around most of the time, so I think, you know, I'm just going to have a sit here for a while. It's beautiful. I mean, the sun's out. I'm out of the wind here. It's quite a windy day, but I'm out of the wind here. I'm just going to sit and absorb it. You know, it's really quiet. I think I've seen one person all day so far in what, I don't know, best part of 2 hours. So it's been really good. But yeah, so let's just sit quietly for a bit, see what happens. And you don't know what will turn up. How great is it just to be out here, you know? You know, you can hear the birds singing around you. Just so relaxing. Absolutely stunning. Just had a fox appear just in the path right here in front of me. I just wandered down this path here towards me. Fortunately, I was just in the process of setting up the vlogging camera, so I was actually standing up rather than sitting down. And I tried to just very slowly crouch down. Had a couple of seconds, it looked at me. I thought it might stay, but then it just turned and took off. I was really annoyed. If I'd have just been sitting still, then, you know, I'd have had a lovely shot of the fox walking straight towards me there. It would have been absolutely beautiful. But, you know, you can't be prepared all the time. It's quite a popular path for people to walk down as well, so, you know, I really didn't expect the fox to come down there, but I have seen it around here before. But shows I really need to pay more attention sometimes, you know. And it just shows if you just sit still and wait, the wildlife will come to you. You don't have to go chasing it around. I'm really annoyed I didn't get that. Well, that's going to be about it for me for today. It's been a strange morning, really. You know, it's been really exciting, some really interesting stuff out here. I just don't feel I've got any results from it today. I've got the Muntjac, definitely. Maybe a couple of other images. But, you know, there's plenty of stuff around me. There's cuckoos, there's woodpeckers. The fox we've just seen come down this path towards me. And I can just see his face looking at me now, but I just didn't capture it, you know. So it's just been one of those days where it's been I feel a really good day, but no results to show for it, and that is really frustrating. You know, I want to bring you guys these images and these videos, and I want something to savour from it for myself. So, you know, it has been a frustrating day. But it has been a good day. It's been really good. And you just don't know what you're going to see. So hopefully you got something out of the video. If you like it, click a like on the thumbs up for me down below, and if you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, whatever you're doing, as I always say, have a great day, and I'll catch up with you again soon. Bye for now.